Good morning, everyone. Dear students, I hope you all are doing good during this pandemic situation of our country as well as world. As we are a social science student, we should be aware of everything regarding the whatever is going around us, as well as we are in very critical situation during lockdown, we are not able to attend our school. So in this regard, we have a small remedy. We can do online classes. So students, let's start our first chapter of class 9. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in class 9, and it's our honor that we are again together face to face through online classes, and we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 1, what is democracy. By the name only you must be understanding it is the chapter of our first book, that is civics. In other words, SPL. So what is democracy? Why democracy? This is the name of our first chapter. For this, we have to understand, as per the topic, we can understand we have to study about the simple definition of democracy. For this, we have to go through the step by step. I repeat it, step by step terms involved in this definition. Democracy is the most prevalent form of government in the world today, and it is expanding to more countries. I repeat the highlighted word, prevalent. Government expanding and the countries. It means that democracy is the most important factor which is in need of each and every country people. As we have already discussed in previous class, that means class 6, 7 and 8, about the different forms of government. Now, by the above definition, we can separate our government. We can separate our government or say democracy from forms of government that are clearly not democratic. I say not democratic. For example, army rulers of Myanmar. Army rulers of Myanmar. By these highlighted words, we can understand that army rulers. By the word only, we can understand army rulers that they are forcefully running a country, Myanmar. They were not elected by people. They were not elected by the general people. For this, we can go through another definition. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers, rulers are elected by the people. Now we can see democracy is a rulers elect people. All three are interrelated. It means that the rulers who are ruling us, they are selected and elected by the general people. Now, as we understand that there are two different forms of government, they are democratic governments and non-democratic governments. I would like you to do some tasks. You all will write down the features of above mentioned form of governments. That means democratic government and the non-democratic government.